Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode we will be learning how to unblock someone on Heyday. If you're looking to unblock a contact that you've previously blocked on Heyday, then here is how you can do it. Whether you've blocked someone by mistake or changed your mind, first of all open up the Heyday application on your phone and then make sure that you're logged into your main account. Once you're inside the home page of Heyday, go ahead and tap on the social icon at the bottom right, which looks like two human icons. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the book icon and then click on the in-game friends button. There you should be able to see a tab that says blocked farms. If you want to unblock the contact, tap on unblock right next to their name. Tap again to confirm and the person will now be unblocked from your game. That is how you can easily unblock someone on Heyday. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.